This is the recommended process for installing Dinan clamp-on exhaust tips. In this example, we're installing on a G87 M2 with our quad tip exhaust. If you have a dual tip system, the process is essentially the same. You'll need Dinan exhaust tips, exhaust clamps, ratcheting wrench, and a ruler. Slip the clamp onto the exhaust tip. Make sure the bolt head is facing inboard of the vehicle. Now, starting with the outboard exhaust pipe, you will want to test fit the tip for proper alignment. We recommend using a ruler to ensure the outboard tips are sitting flush with the rear valence. The Dinan logo is centered using the upward stroke of the N as seen here. Now take your wrench and tighten the clamp from the back side of the tips, as seen here. Before you fully tighten the clamp, you'll want to test fit the inboard tip and double check alignment. Again, make sure that the clamp on the inboard tip is fitted with the bolt head facing the inboard of the vehicle. Using the upward stroke of the N for centering the logo, the inboard tip will sit approximately 1 inch past the outboard tip. Now fully tighten the clamps from the back side of the tips. Repeat this process for the other side. If you have any questions, please contact support at 1-334-502-5181. Thanks for choosing Dinan.